and I'm just scratching here. And my friend Brianna's here. I'm just calling her right now. Brianna, say hi. Brianna, say hi. Okay, Brianna just don't want to say hi. And I'm just over here making my vlogs. And it's actually part 12 today. And we're over here. And when Brianna make her drawing on it, I will slam her. And I'm just over here having this with my ice powers. Actually, I'm not powers now. And I'm just over here. And I'm just doing something. I'm calling Brianna today. And guys, go to my part 30 because I have new songs and new vlogs. Okay? And bye because we can stay home in this video. But bye!